Hello, welcome to InQuize App series. This series is dedicated for users who want to explore the InQuize app and connect with their favorite media outlets and influencers. Let's begin. After you have downloaded the app, click on the app icon. You will be presented with a welcome screen. Then you will be presented with a sign-in form. If you already have an account created, go ahead and log in. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on Sign Up at the top right corner. Then you will be presented with a sign up form. Fill in the form accordingly with your email address first, then pick a username and check it with the check button, then type in your password, and then verify it again. Don't forget to accept terms and then click Sign Up. If all is well, your account should be created and you should receive a notification that says User signed in. Once you logged in, you will be presented with a prompt that asks you to verify your email address. You'll receive on the email address provided an email that contains the confirmation number. This email could take from 1 to 3 minutes to fully arrive. Once you have received the confirmation number, tap it into the prompt and click Verify. But do not be afraid. Just log in back again with your newly created account credentials. And that's it. You now have an account on InQuize and you can reap the benefits, connect with your influencers, and much more. In the next video, we'll show you how to interact with the content, comment, and much more. See you in the next video. Goodbye.